Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. I'm traveling to Bangalore by train for the workshop. So therefore, I'm recording this from the train. So there may be some external noise. Apologies for that. Market fell. Nifty has fallen more than 300 points. It was a terrible fall. In fact, GIF Nifty indicated only about 200-point fall, but Nifty fall was more than that. That's mainly because of the global cues. If you look at the data, last Friday, the first trading session of this series, Nifty shot up nearly 400 points. That time I told you, by going by the past, the first trading session, if the move was significantly higher, then that day's low probably will not be broken for the rest of the series. So that low was 24,400. What happened? 24,400 to 24,800 it came. Then after that, for 4 trading sessions, markets were consolidating. And finally, today market has broken down. And today is the first day. Nifty closed below the last Friday's close. But however, that is not important. So what is important is 24,400. So as long as 24,400 is held on, you can continue to be bullish. However, today's fall was mainly because of the global cues. FIIs who have been selling for the last many days, they became net buyers yesterday. Yesterday they bought for 2,000 crore. But despite that, market has fallen mainly because of the global cues. Suddenly, there was some news, some data in US. Then people interpreted, recession is coming. The interest rate cut was not, as expected earlier. It is behind the curve. The people say it is delayed. So in US market, one day, one data, they will completely change the story. Today is the first Friday of the month. There'll be non-farm payroll data will be coming. So if that data is good, again the market will go for a short covering. But if that bad data is bad, then again market can continue to fall. So this sell-off today, Japan index has fallen by 5%. So looks like this recession fear in US probably is a genuine news. We have to wait for 1 or 2 more days to get the confirmation that this is a very bad news, and then likely to have a major impact. But even if the global cues are bad, Nifty is not likely to fall much. There are many reasons for that. Number one, in our market, the froth is actually there in mid cap and small cap and micro caps. So even if the sell-off comes, those indices are likely to fall much more than the Nifty. Nifty, you see many stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, they all did not perform well. So the froth is actually less. So therefore, there is a possibility because of the huge buying by domestic institutions, Nifty may not fall much. So as I told you, by the pattern, 24,400 is the first support. The next support is a psychological support, 24,000, and then only the technical support at 23,850. When Nifty crossed 23,850, that's when the Nifty became long technically. So today's price action was very, very bad, led by global cues. So we have to wait for 1 or 2 more days to see whether this is just a normal correction or trend reversal. So let us see. Rest of the things we'll discuss tomorrow. And now external noise is getting more and more bad. So we'll discuss tomorrow on Monday morning. Thank you.